Hey, George Peterson here from Front of House Magazine. We've got an amazing issue for this month, starting off with our buyer's guide to large format line arrays, with a spotlight on more than 24 models for nearly any budget or application. Check that out. This month we also check out one of this summer's hottest touring shows. Taylor Swift's Red Tour, which plays to 58 sold-out arenas in 45 cities, with a little help from Eighth Day Sound and a dedicated crew of seasoned pros. It's not to be missed. Not all tours were mega events. This month we also look in on An Evening with Todd Rundgren, which recently completed a long haul of theater and festival dates. One thing that has been hot this summer is the huge number of installations and upgrades in the burgeoning House of Worship market. We profile 10 projects that reflect the cutting edge in large and small sanctuaries. Don't miss that. Anyway, there's a lot more in this month's issue of Front of House, so be sure to check it out, either in print, online, or with our way cool iPad edition. But whatever you do, don't piss off the sound guy.